Curious about what the dashboard lights on your 2024 Cadillac LYRIQ mean? Want to decode those symbols and better understand your instrument cluster? This guide covers every essential indicator to keep you informed and confident on the road. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen controls navigation and media, while the instrument cluster displays speed, fuel, and alerts. Climate control maintains your vehicle's interior temperature and air quality for optimal comfort. The steering wheel is the primary control interface that allows a driver to direct and maneuver a vehicle.
Instrument cluster.
Cluster indicators. Airbag warning light, seatbelt warning light, super cruise light, anti-lock brake system warning light, electronic brake force distribution system warning light, parking brake warning light, vehicle ahead indicator, charging system warning light, malfunction indicator lamp, lane safety indicator light, propulsion power is limited light, forward safety warning light, stably track off light, service vehicle soon light, traction control system, security light, cruise control light, high beam indicator light, battery fault light, door ajar light, adaptive cruise control light, lamps on reminder, front passenger seat belt reminder light, IntelliBeam light, vehicle ready light, pedestrian ahead indicator, service electric parking brake light, traction off light, curve speed control light, tire pressure light, driver mode control light, all-wheel drive light, passenger airbag status indicator, automatic vehicle hold light, second and third row passenger seat belt reminder light, low state of charge light, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.